In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in the Shopify Dawn theme. This process is foundational for setting up your online store, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident managing your product listings seamlessly. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side and click on the Products tab. This area is your main hub for managing all things related to your inventory. When you click Add Product, you'll be taken to a new page where the magic happens. Now, at the top of this page, you'll see a field for your product title. This is where you'll want to put the name of your product. Keep the title descriptive and concise to attract potential customers. Moving down the page, you'll find the description box. This section is crucial. The goal here is to engage your audience with details they'll find interesting and useful, like the features and benefits of the product, and perhaps something about its story or origin. Use rich descriptions that include relevant keywords to help with search engine visibility. As we continue down the page, you'll come to the media section where you can upload images or videos of your product. High-quality visuals are essential. They're the first impression your customers will have. Make sure your images are clear, well-lit, and show the product from multiple angles. If available, videos can showcase the product in action, providing an even better understanding of what it offers. You'll notice there is a price field next. Enter the price you want to list your product at. If you have a sale or compare it price, there's space for that too. Highlighting the discount in this way can create urgency and drive sales. Just below, you'll find the Inventory section. Here, you can enter a SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit, and track your stock levels. This feature is particularly useful for managing your supply and ensuring you're never caught off guard by running out of stock. Further down the page, you have options for shipping. If this product requires shipping, make sure to check the box. Enter your product's weight and any other specific shipping information that might be necessary for handling fees and delivery options. Keep in mind that accurate shipping details can prevent unexpected costs and improve customer satisfaction. Next, you'll see the Variants section, which is perfect if your product comes in different sizes, colors, or any other variations. Here, you can add options by specifying each variant's details, such as sizes or colors. Finally, take a look at the Search Engine Listing Preview. This is how your product will appear in search engines. Make adjustments if necessary to ensure your product is easily discoverable. Once you've reviewed everything, scroll back to the top and hit Save. And that's it. You've successfully added a product in Shopify using the Dawn theme. Keep these details in mind as you add more products, and soon you'll have a diverse array of offerings in your store.